Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to view your order history in Grubhub. If you don't have a Grubhub account, we will put the link on the description below for you to sign up, and get $10 off your order of $15 and above. However, if you already have an account, just open the website, then click on Sign In. Then sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a section for your account at the upper right corner of this page. Click on the drop-down arrow beside your account name. On the drop-down list, you will see several options. Click on the option that says Past Orders. There you will see the record of your past orders. That's how you view your order history in Grubhub. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.